Okay, good day to all of us. Then let's study how you know if your helium mining have the same brand as you. For example, you are curling miner. Then let you know or how you know if any helium miners will witnessing you. First step, go to witness, and then you see how many witness you have. You have 7 witness. Okay, then open every witness in a new tab. Example, this one, all witness 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 new tab, because you have 7 witness. Then this is a way to how to know if you have a witness with the same brand as you, as Sterling. For this checking, you know if your brand is seen at the same brand as you. Okay, let's try one new tab. This one is Sense Cup. Second tab is Linux Duck. Third tab, Rock Wireless. Fourth tab, Calchip. Fifth, Sense Cup. 6, Bobcat. And then the last one is Sense Cup. That means your miner didn't see the same brand. That's the easy way how you know if your curling seen at the same brand. But for example, you are confusing because this line of communication or witness they have 2 inside the hexagon. But you see, even 2 have inside the hexagon, only one there is they can connect you, but you didn't see the same 2 or the 2 miners inside, only one there you are seen. Okay, let's check these 2 if they have curling here. That not means you see a curling. Okay, let's check these 2, then check these 2 miners inside. Open new tab again, then you see this one, this is the new tab, the second one is new tab. Then when you see this one, these 2 new tab, you see one Sense Cup, and then one is, what's the another one? Sense Cup also. That means these have no the same brand as you. Then let's go to another hexagon. We have 2 inside the hexagon. Okay, this one also have 2. Let's check this hexagon. This hexagon have 2 miners brand. Let's check new tab. Then let's see if they have the same brand as what you have. Okay, this one is Linux. The second one is Bobcat. That means these 2 is not the same as your brand. Sometimes this is confusing. If the hexagon inside is have 2 miners inside, I think sometimes these 2 miners is using the same. Okay, that's the easy way how do you know if they have the same brand as the same as you to see if your brand is seen at the same brand as you have, like curling, because we are always observe the curling brands, so keep curling to curling. Thank you, and